I'm a Japanese medical doctor. My name is Susumu Otake. The tritium can be in form of tritiated water (H2O), organically bound tritium (OBT), and tritiated gas (HT). I will explain about tritiated water and organically bound tritium. Japanese government states tritium is no worry about the health effects. This is correct as far as tritium water. Another type of tritium is organically bound tritium. This illustration is made by IES in Rokkasho village. The Rokkasho nuclear fuel processing plant has emitted tritiated water to the sea. The cutting period indicates the periods that the spent nuclear fuel rods are cut into segments and chemically processed. The concentration of organically bound tritium in olive flounder was measured. The concentration increased as tritium emission. Organically bound tritium formed by photosynthesis. Photosynthesis uses the chlorophyll and sunlight energy to convert 6 carbon dioxide and 12 water into glucose, oxygen, and water. If tritiated water is used, photosynthetic process, tritium can bind to the carbon chain and refers as organically bound tritium. The amount of organically bound tritium produced depends on the large number of environmental factors and the plant parameters, including light levels, oxygen and carbon dioxide concentrations, temperature, air circulation, and water supply, all of which show considerable diurnal and seasonal variations. Organically bound tritium can be produced in the dark by non-photosynthetic assimilation, but is not well understood. The nighttime organically bound tritium production can be close to the daytime production. The seaweed form organically bound tritium by photosynthesis, and the abalone eats the seaweed. The phytoplankton form organically bound tritium. The small fish eats the phytoplankton, and the large fish eats the small fish. Organically bound tritium is transferred into food chain. Japanese Radiation Research Society states that 5 to 6% of tritiated water absorbed into the body exists organically bound tritium. By Japanese Ministry Economy, Trade and Industry, some of tritium ingested can be incorporated into organically compounds. This tritium fraction is referred to as organically bound tritium. They state about the exchange in the body from tritiated water organically bound tritium. However, they don't state about photosynthesis and food chain. In the paper with current understanding organically bound tritium environment, S.B. Kim, Chalk River Laboratories, AECL, Canada, state organically bound tritium is produced through a photosynthesis in plants and metabolic process in animals. Tritium as tritiated water can't bioaccumulate in environment. However, it is not well known whether or not organically bound tritium can accumulate in environment. In the reports of IAEA, F. Brown-Gartner says, a tritium atom bound to a carbon atom is essentially fixed until the compound is metabolized. Carbon-bound tritium is not exchangeable. Exchangeable organically bound tritium is bound to oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur atoms. Organically bound tritium DNA is expressed as XBT DNA. The chemical structure formula of CBT and XBT are reported in Tritium White Paper of France. The DNA is double-stranded helix. with the two strands connected to hydrogen bonds shown arrows. Two hydrogen bonds connect thiamine to adenine. Three hydrogen bonds connect guanine to cytosine. These hydrogen bonds can be exchanged by tritium. The tritium will transform to helium and hydrogen bonds will be damaged. As IAEA review of safety-related aspects of handling ALPS-treated water at TEPCO's Fukushima Daiichi Nuclear Power Station reports, the UNSCARE 2016 report states, less information is available with which to construct adequate model for the behavior of various forms of organically bound tritium and other tritiated compounds, including amino acids, some of which are involved in the synthesis of DNA and associated proteins. Since organically bound tritium is not become scientifically clear, it cannot be concluded that tritium is harmless. Thank you.